every morning asking myself the question, what kind of life do I want to live? Looking for an ideal way to get around in the hustle and bustle of the city, you need a car that not only commutes, but also enhances the quality of life. Fengxing S7, a new generation of pure electric sedan that combines aesthetics, intelligence, and electric technology. The extremely futuristic closed front grille, with penetrating LED daytime running lights, together with the streamlined aerodynamic body, every frame can amaze the street. This is the era when face value is the order of the day, it never as a background plate. With a CLTC range of over 600 kilometers and a highly efficient battery management system, you can go from city commuting to weekend long distance without anxiety. It also supports 30-minute fast charging from 30% to 80%, with efficiency beyond its class. Not only can it run far, but it can also run with peace of mind. 13-inch dual-link screen plus voice assistant make driving like talking to a friend. Hello Fengxing, a sentence to control navigation, air conditioning, music, L2 level assisted driving system, changing lanes, following the car, parking, a key to deal with. The real intelligent driving is not to show off, but to understand you. The rear space is transcendent, and the seats support multiple folding modes. So whether you're a young parent with a baby or a camping-loving explorer, the Fengxing S7 can pack in all of life's possibilities for you. Sourced from the advanced manufacturing platform of Dongfeng Liuzhou Automobile, from stamping, welding, painting to vehicle inspection, each S7 has gone through 1,000 refinements before it is worthy of meeting you. With value, intelligence, range, and space all in one car, the Fengxing S7 is more than just an electric car. It's a new definition of your future life in the city.